I'd also like to touch on tax implications for loans in DeFi, as many do ask this question when they find out that they can use their digital assets as collateral. What are the current regulations in this case?
Tax is a lot different than securities or AML, KYC. Tax is something that's very jurisdictional dependent. So it's a lame thing to say, but you got to talk to your local tax lawyer before you listen to me. But typically speaking, putting down collateral and taking a loan is a tax-free process. Like just taking out a loan, that's a tax-free process. So here on Liquid Loans, I was looking into your white paper, so I've got a rough idea of how you guys work. So if I could, when you deposit PLS and you take a loan of USDL, that is a tax-free process. If the value of PLS goes down and the trove gets liquidated, like you can write off actually as a capital loss, and it'll consider your PLS has been disposed at that time. So that's something to keep in mind. If you were to deposit your USDL and you're getting compensated with PLS and loan back, that's just going to be income tax. Actually, that's just interest. And so that's not going to be a capital gain. So it's actually pretty straightforward stuff. If you're using a protocol that is one of those self-paying protocols, so they use your collateral to pay down the loan you've taken out, that's actually called a self-repaying loan. And actually you do need to pay tax when the protocol pays down your loan amount for you. So that would be a complicated thing for you to all keep track of. And I've definitely referred my clients to tax accountants I know. And when they try to bring their cryptocurrency transactions to them, they say, you know what, we don't know what to do with this. Just wait and hold on to it for next year, which I thought was a crazy recommendation coming from an accountant. Just like, don't worry about it, postpone it. But unless you're an accountant that's really in the crypto weeds, I think they're just saying, you know what, they put their hands in the air. So if you really wanted to track this stuff, there's some aspects to crypto loans that are taxable, but it's a lot more straightforward than you think actually. But good on you for being that person who's really trying to be that diligent.